it is time for part 2 of the epic unboxing. So let's get started. Next one we're going to do is the Little Rascals Roman Holiday and Free Eats from 1991. Sides, the top, and the back. Roman Holiday is from 1937 and Free Eats from 1932. And this tape is recorded in extended play mode, as it says down there. 30 minutes. Let's get this one out of the shrink wrap. Ah. You a bad, naughty plastic. There we go. Wow, these are coming off easily. Here's the tape, and no printing, but it has the barcode sticker. Alright. Now we're going to do Teacher's Pet. Nighttime 1 VHS. Clark Gable endorsed day. Extra, extra. Newspaperman Clark Gable falls for journalism instructor Doris Day. So yes, I can tell this is probably a romantic comedy. 1957 film. So let's... And this one's exactly 2 hours long. So let's get it out of the shrink wrap now. There we go. Now I gotta break the seal sticker on this one. Got it. Oh. Here's the tape. The labels say 1992. End label. And the 23rd week of 1992. That barcode again, so this probably is the clicking white screen at the end. And look at this. The Great Movie, Great Price catalog from 1992. Very awesome. This is sealed. This is sealed, so I will keep it as it is. Because, again, very valuable. Oh. There we go. Now we're gonna get on to the 4 James Cagney movies I got yesterday. First one we're gonna do Each Dawn I Die, 1909. This is from the Silver Top collection. Well, not really a collection. This is just how they used to do it back in like 88 and 89. Keeps the audience breathless with suspense. Cagney gets a splendid performance as New York Daily News. 1939 film in 1967. So let's get this one out. This one should be easy. There we go. Here's the tape, and printed on September 10th, 1993. So there we go. Next, we're going to do The Oklahoma Kid, the Inglorious Black and White printing. From 1993. Sides, top, and the back. James Cagney takes on Humphrey Bogart in a rip-roaring Western adventure. Yeah, I didn't realize Humphrey Bogart was actually in this too. It's 1939 film. So let's get this out of the shrink wrap now. Alright, we are making progress. This is interesting. Look at the tape, but look at this. End label. Wow. I think this might be a replica of a mid or late 80s printing. Wow, that is awesome. I might have to check this one to see what's at the end of it. See if there is anything. Wow, that's awesome. I was not expecting that. Alright, let's do the other one. Now we're going to do the other Inglorious Black and White James Cagney tape I got. Devil Dogs of the Air. This is also from 1993. I wonder if this one's the same exact thing. There is drama, spectacle, romance, comedy, action, and thrills. His motion picture herald. This one's a 1935 film. So let's get this one out now. I'm really curious now. Nope, unfortunately this one's not a replica. Printed on July 28th, 1993. Yeah, this one's not a replica, unfortunately, but oh well. Yeah, that is really cool. I'll definitely check the Oklahoma Kid to see if there's anything at the end. And now we're going to do the last James Cagney film I got. Captains of the Clouds. 1993 VHS. Got a better copy because my other copy... Oh my god. The other copy was just totally damaged at the middle. It got damaged for like 5 minutes at the middle. It was really bad. So I got a better copy now. One of the best pictures of all air service pictures. Cagney gives one of his most stalwart performances as Variety. 1942 film. So yeah, let's get this one out of the shrink wrap. Yeah, my other copy was just really, really dirty. It was horrible. So I'm very glad to finally replace that other copy with this brand new copy. And yes. July 28th, 1993. See? No mull on this whatsoever. Thank God. Very happy to finally get a better copy of that film. Alright. So that's it for the James Cagney hour. Got 3 more left. Next we're going to do the key videotape of Sayonara from 1988. Key video turns the spotlight on Marlon Brando. It's back. Brando versus the Air Force in a fight for love. It's 1957 film from 1985. It's got the Fox Video logo on the seal, so this is most likely a reprint. And yes, I will try to get the Marlon Brando key video VHS of Last Tango in Paris. Even though I know that movie's very controversial. Oh, gotta break the seal sticker. Yeah, even though Last Tango in Paris is a very controversial film, There is a key video print of it, so I am looking for it. Wow, these Fox ones come off a lot easier than the Paramount ones. Yep, it's a reprint, just as I expected. Labels are from 1990. It's co-produced by Samuel Goldwyn Entertainment. No print date, and the 21st week of 1993 has that barcode again, so this will most likely have the clicking white screen of death at the end. Alright. Next we're going to do 2 more left. We're going to do the MGM Movie Time print of Still of the Night. Roy Scheider and Meryl Streep. This one's also already kind of opened. Another one of the very first MGM Movie Time releases, because it does not have the Movie Time logo on the spine. Back. A Juicy Murder Mystery says box office. It's 1996 VHS. 1982 film. So let's get this one out. And like I said, this one might be a replica of an 80s pressing, just like Video Lover's copy. Because I know Video Lover's copy still had the 1982 MGM Movie Home Video logo, which is just awesome. There we go. Just tape. August 3rd, 1996. Yeah. I will definitely check the opening to this one. See what it has. And last but not least, we're gonna do Bad Day at Black Rock, the Hooray for Hollywood VHS. Spencer Tracy and Robert Ryan. From 1988. My third Hooray for Hollywood VHS, I believe. No, I think it's my fourth, actually. I don't have Father the Bride anymore. I got rid of that copy and replaced it with the Inglourious Black and White VHS in the slipcover, because my Hooray for Hollywood VHS of it was in a cut box. It's 1954, filmed in 1982. So let's get this one out now. Oh, and a very superior example of motion picture craftsmanship, says Pauline Kael. Oh, that's weird. The seal sticker's attached to the box. Wasn't like that on the other ones. Alright, gotta break the seal sticker on this one, I guess. This one shouldn't be too much of a pain in the butt, hopefully. There we go. And here is the tape. October 22nd, 1992. So yeah, very glad I finally unboxed all those. So, hope you enjoyed this awesome unboxing for today. And there we go, you can see all of them now. Hope you enjoyed this, and sorry, heavy. Bye.